Hi, this is Glenn with Bentley Trucks. We have here today a 2025 Isuzu NRR Gas with a 12-foot junk body on it with a backpack. So as we take a look real quick, of course with it being a gas, it's a GM V8 gas engine, 350 horsepower, 425 pound-feet of torque. So you know you can get up and go, but it's also easy to work on, easy to fix. Obviously with it being an Isuzu, when you tilt this cab, it's really going to be easy to get to the engine. A lot of times in pickup trucks and other conventional trucks, that's one of the main complaints on the service time that it takes to get access to the engine, where you're not going to have that problem here. Of course, it does have a buyer's backpack right here. It is a complete through box, so it goes all the way through. Access doors on both sides for your shovels, other stuff. But we did also put a broom basket on it down here. So you could put your hand truck down there, strap it down, or you can put your different brooms, shovels, things like that that you need for when you do the job. This particular junk body, we do have a small cab shield up top, as you can see, and a power tarp. You know, the power tarp's obviously convenient because it's so tall, you just press a button on your dashboard instead of trying to find your way up there to adjust it. The sides are 60-inch high sides. So with a 60-inch high side, obviously that's what kind of common what we do for a junk body, because with a junk body, you need to get as much stuff in there as you can. We got the full barn doors in the back. I pulled out the ramp here. You do have to move the ramp over to the center so that you can go up and down, but I did just want to show it is a 10-foot ramp that you've got, real easy to get and get your truck dollies up there. As we come around to the passenger side, nothing real fancy here. Of course, here is the latch right here for the ramp door, just in case you happen to be looking for it. And of course we have a ladder here on the side so that even after you get everything up there, you got to get those last couple items in, you throw them in over the top. As I mentioned, of course there's the other access doors to the toolbox, and inside the Isuzu cab, of course we've got the nice 3-passenger interior and anything else that you would need for your city driving. If we could help you with this or any others, give us a call. Have a great day.